incorrect. But as an individual, as a citizen of this country, I can only suggest, give also, give them freedom to live. हम लोग बोलते रहते एलिफेंट कॉरिडोर हमको मालूम है, अगर मालूम है तो do something, fence them. And see, even farmers does not sleep in the night. क्यों? He is also having reason. His crop is his livelihood. If wild elephant comes there and destroy his crops, वो क्या खाएगा? See, we as the people in forest department, we are standing in the middle. एक तरफ वाइल्ड लाइफ, दूसरी तरफ हमारा फार्मर्स एंड ह्यूमन लाइफ. वी हैव टू ब्रिंग दिस बैलेंस. आप वर्कशॉप कीजिए, सेमिनार कीजिए, बट दिस वर्कशॉप should not be only roaming and only in your mind it should be playing. No. Take it to the ground level. प्रस्ताव लाइए. In the last 50 years, are we really well equipped to handle all these situations? If not, भूल जाइए. All 50 years you simply forget, I am telling you. Start a new day from today and do research. इसमें काफी रिसर्च होना चाहिए, I am telling you. Research does not mean by only IFS officers, by only TFS officers. In the process of research, people from Aranya, they can be very useful. People doing research in the jungle for years, those PhD scholars, young minds, bring them. They can give us the solution. हमें उस चिंता, उस भावना से निकाल के आना चाहिए. जो ये करो बोलने से ये नहीं हो पाएगा, वो करो ये भी नहीं होगा, तो क्या होगा? We should come out from that mentality, I am telling you. And so far I understand, development does not mean destroying the forest. When the file comes to me, Mr. Murthy is also in charge for FDA. FDA का फुल फॉर्म क्या है प्रवीण जी? इनको मालूम है, इनको मालूम है, because he also, I'm sure you handled in the past. So जब आते हैं त्रिपुरा में बताया जाता है कि 5 लेन 4 लेन रोड्स होना चाहिए, तो त्रिपुरा, what is the size of Tripura? If we keep constructing 4 lane roads in Tripura, कल फॉरेस्ट खत्म हो जाएगा. See, protecting forest is not disturbing the development. Please keep it in your mind. Protecting forest is protecting our future. If forest is not there, human being cannot survive, and wildlife also cannot survive. So our first task should be protecting the forest. Are we really doing that job? I have some statistics here. I just want to tell about SCATFORM project, what we did. We almost built more than 350 checkdams. Balamati, is it true? More than, I'm telling you. It can be 400, 500. And then, of late, created 11 model checkdams, which are very special in nature. Promoted agroforestry plantations, developed ecotourism sites. For what actually? Why these are important? These are important because when we conserve soil and water, we strengthen the forest. When we strengthen the forest, wildlife remains stable. Yes, Arun? Ashok? Am I right? लेकिन तुम्हारे चेहरे में ऐसा देख रहा था, फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर जो बता रहा है सब गलत है. Okay. So wildlife remains stable, conflict reduces. ये जो हाथी गांव में घुस कर के लोगों का घर तोड़ते हैं, क्यों? उसका खाना नहीं मिलता जंगल। सो फॉरेस्ट वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट। नाउ आई डोंट नो वेदर ऑल दिस थिंग्स have happened or not. Underpass along NHA, Mr. Murthy, this we have to ensure. Talk to the NHIDCL authority.